Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in the video basically to do the English practice, and today I'm going to basically choose one cue card for speaking in this video, and the cue card is about describing basically public or park or a garden. Basically this is what I'm going to describe in this video, and this is my way of doing the English practice in my free time, basically because I just want to give some sort of time to my goals which I want to achieve in upcoming days. So for that I just don't want to regret it. I'm just preparing for it to basically achieve that, and so that's why I do upload videos every day of English language, whether I'm speaking hesitated, or I'm struggling, or basically stucking by speaking. So this is a part of journey. We need to leave it, and we need to understand then there's criticism. After that, we can able to basically get to the level where I we can like show people that you have worked, and then after you get the result. So I'm going to basically start with the cue card which I've chosen for speaking in this video. So I was basically visited in my life basically a lot of parks and gardens as well, and along with that there is one garden which I really want to talk in this video, which is a very big park in my city, and its name is like basically is situated by one of the army person who got basically uh, who got injured in basically in the war, and that is for the his basically memories, his the park basically got inaugurated in basically 2000, and there is a lot of, you can say, activity, physical activities, exercises, lot of people is doing in the morning and in the evening as well. There are a lot of components such as like walking cycles, or they are pulling instrument as well, where you can basically do some sort of exercises. And a lot of time there are people also going to run, and there are a lot of people who are like preparing for army as well, because there's a lot of you can say area of like for 400 meter. If you are run basically one round of that is calculated as a 400 meter. So there are a lot of people running like 4 to 5 round of this, and they basically try to complete it within a 5 minute or less than 5 minutes. That is how they are basically going to achieve, because there is certain rule like you need to complete your 1600 meter of running by under 5 to 6 minutes. So that is how a lot of people are doing these activities in the park, and that is very famous. Because beside from there is one park as well where like females or like aunties basically visited there. That is very good thinking of lot of people. So that is how you can segregate both gender in a different park. So that's why there is a lot of unique thing. You can say there is a lot of, you can say, services you can get free of cost. Like in the evening basically there are a lot of instructor coming to teach people who are not basically well financially situated. Basically there are a lot of people's coming and to basically express their experience over there. So it was a great experience over there to visit park. And today that is it for the cue card, and I hope you find this video helpful. So in upcoming days I'm going to upload same kind of videos, and bye bye, have a good day.